What is going on, my impossible creators? Let us jump into an extremely easy one. It just takes one prompt and then we're done. Speaking of, here is the prompt. We're looking at it. So wherever you see yellow is where we will replace it with what we want the cloud to be, right? So the first one is for the object, where let's say we want man jogging. I don't know. Let's do that. I'm just making it up right now. The next one over is what land do we want to see below the clouds? For example, do you want to see a city, or do you want to see a small town, or nature, an icy seascape? So for this one, let's just go with small town. I don't know. Let's just do small town. Small town. And then you will repeat the town, whatever land you decided to go with, you repeat it down here. So let's just put you could either put small town or town, because what this essentially is saying is that this is what grounds the image, like if you read it through, while the town grounds the scene beneath it, right? So either small town or town, however way you write that second part, should be good to go. Now what I'm doing here, I'm just getting rid of all the yellow. There we go. I'm gonna carry this over to, you can choose ChatGPT, a Nano Banana, within Higgsfield or Gemini. I'm going to use ChatGPT for this example with y'all, but I do like Higgsfield. I'm just trying to use a few different programs for y'all. ChatGPT is free. Higgsfield, I know you need to pay for it. I do recommend y'all invest in it if you want to do a lot of the videos that I'm doing, but you can still pull it off with other alternate software or websites. So under chatgpt.com, you are going to go to /image or images, and then a quick way to do it is on the left dock panel, there should be an images section. So you click on that, it should bring you to this, and then I'm going to paste. Like I've already made the changes. Then we send that through. Wait for it. Boom, there it is. We have our man jogging. Easy, done. Thanks for watching.